Hey guys, it's me Anugya and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to continue with the breakfast special recipes, and this recipe is one for which I received a lot of messages on Instagram when I uploaded the picture of it on my stories. So it's French style scrambled eggs. French style scrambled eggs are rich and creamy and they're slowly cooked over low heat. Let's get started. The ingredients are eggs, salted butter, salt and chili flakes. The main thing that you need to note for this recipe that it's cooked on very low flame. Step number 1 is take a pan and add salted butter to it. And now we can add the eggs. Add the 2 eggs and start stirring. This scrambled egg is very smooth and creamy. Okay, now you can take the scrambled egg out from the flame and keep stirring. So this process we have to do a few times, putting it on the flame and then taking it out of the flame. And keep it back on the flame, then stir some more on the flame. Okay, we can take it back again from the flame. And keep it back on the flame. Okay, so if you want to add salt, you can add salt when it's done, totally done. So we'll just put for a few more seconds. It's forming like a curd. So that is the consistency, that is the velvety consistency that we are looking for. This is done now. And now we can close the fire and put it on the side. So for example, you want to eat it a little bit later, or if you want to toast your bread first, then you can just bring the scrambled egg to one side of your pan and let it rest. Because if it's all over the pan, then the cooking will continue, but we don't want the cooking to continue any further. So we'll just bring it to one corner of the pan and just let it rest. Okay, so our French style scrambled egg is ready and it's time to serve it. So I've toasted 2 slices of bread. This is actually my homemade bread. I'll share the link of the recipe in the description because this French style scrambled egg tastes amazing with this wholemeal bread. So you can just put it on top of the slices. You can add some salt now. You can even add some chili flakes. Guys, if you start making this French style scrambled eggs, you would want to make it every time, I promise. It tastes absolutely amazing. Alright, I'll put some chili flakes on top of this. Fabulous. Voila! Our French style scrambled egg is ready and I can't wait to taste it. Very flavorful. Guys, do try this recipe. It's my promise. If you make it once, you're going to make it again and again. It's so delicious. It's really nice. Go for it. Do try this breakfast recipe and let me know in comments how it comes out. If you have any questions, do leave them in the comments and I'll be back again with more delicious breakfast recipes. Till then, bye, stay safe.